Okay, hello guys, welcome to Protex and this is Ray. Today our main topic is to introduce a new product. It's called MSPC, and also we will introduce that what is MSPC, and you will know the base, you will know the materials and also the structures. And it's not a totally new products. It's a product based on the flooring we used before. I think all of you guys may know that the SPC flooring. Yes. The SPC flooring means the stone plastic composition. Okay, so core material is stone powders and the PVC powders, and also it has a well layout as the surface of the flooring, and the colors is determined by the deck film. So you also know another rigid core flooring is WPC flooring. It's nearly same to the SPC flooring, but now we mainly use SPC flooring to replace this one. But I also want to show you that it's WPC flooring. It's floating by the PVC powders and also the wood powders. Okay, so let's introduce our main products. It's MSPC flooring. Okay, so you may ask, what is MSPC flooring? MSPC flooring is a connection product with the laminate flooring and also the SPC flooring. Okay, so before that, let's have a basic understanding of the laminate flooring. So compared to the SPC flooring, the laminate flooring has a more long time history. Before that, we have two colors laminate flooring here, and normally the laminate flooring is more thin and is nearly about 8mm thickness, and also maybe the 12mm thickness. And compared to the SPC or WPC, it's more thinner, because if we do the same thickness as this, it will be very weighty and it will be very heavy. So we will decrease the thickness. So we know that the laminate flooring's advantage is the anti-scratch abilities. If we use the knife to scratch, okay. So even if we use the knife to scratch the surface is still no obvious changes. Yes, it's still no the knife traces in the surface. So its anti-scratch abilities is very well. If we use SPC, of course SPC surface is not like the laminate flooring. It will be damaged in the surface. Okay, so let's have a test. The PVC powder and also the stone powders is passed out, so the surface is damaged, and also its anti-scratch abilities is damaged. So if we have products that could connect these two products advantages, that will be very helpful for us. So we introduce the MSPC flooring. As you all know, the SPC flooring is waterproof, and also it has a quick resistance to installation, but it's not really is not anti-scratch. Also, the laminate flooring is well in the anti-scratch, or is well in the abrasion resistance, but it's not waterproof. Yes. So we developed the new products called MSPC, and we connect the laminate flooring anti-scratch abilities, and also connect the SPC flooring's waterproof abilities, and also the click resistance to install it well or install it easily. Okay, so let's have or introduce about the MSPC flooring. The surface is same as the laminate. It's a melamine paper, so we call it MSPC flooring. The M means the melamine. So what is the melamine paper? And do you remember that we just said that its deck film is used in the SPC flooring, and its PVC material is deck film. We can also find similar colors, but it's two different materials. And this one is used in the laminate flooring and also used in the MSPC flooring. So you may ask why we use the melamine paper on the surface. It will be super anti-scratch, because we do not just use the deck paper. We also have the aluminum dioxide metal coating on the surface. So you will imagine that the flooring surface is covered by the aluminum dioxide metal coating, so it will be very anti-scratch. Okay, and we just scratch the laminate and also the SPC. So let's have a scratch about the MSPC to see how it works very well in the anti-abrasion resistance. Okay. So it's nothing, still very well, and it's no damage. And even if you scratch it, you damage the surface, it's the metal coating, it's not the flooring surface. We have a standard to test how the MSPC flooring is anti-scratch. We use the AC grid to test its abilities. Compared to these two products, and we connected their advantages into one product. And we also have the SPC flooring's advantages there. It also has a click system to install it together, and also have the XV padding. So while you will use these products, we suggest use it in the really high commercial site. It will have the high heel shoes to scratch to work on there, so it will maybe damage the flooring. If you use the SPC flooring, it will be damaged. If we use the MSPC flooring, it will be okay, because just as I said, it has the metal coating on the surface, so it will protect it from the damage. Some clients may want to have different patterns. They want to use the stone, so they will ask, can you do this MSPC as the stone colors? Okay, that is definitely yes. Okay, we have the stone colors MSPC, and also the surface is still the melamine paper. And we know that SPC flooring also has the stone colors to imitate the tiles. Okay, the tiles, and also MSPC flooring can also do the stone colors. Okay, besides that, and other clients want to reach a ceramic tiles effect when we use the flooring, so they will ask, can you do this MSPC flooring with high gloss? And also it's yes. Yeah, we can also do the high gloss MSPC flooring. Okay, this one is the high gloss MSPC flooring. If I don't say it's MSPC flooring, and I think you may think it's ceramic tiles, but actually it's not ceramic tiles. It's still the MSPC flooring. Let's use this one. Yeah, it's same. This one is matte. It's matte, and also this one is high gloss. Okay. You can see the light is reflected in the surface, so it's high gloss like the ceramic tiles. Okay, so firstly, from the cost, from the budget, we can know that this one is cost safe compared to the ceramic tiles. Okay, first one is the cost, and then it's the delivery. You know, the ceramic tiles is very heavy, and it's not easy to deliver in the road. This one is very light. It's very light compared to the ceramic tiles. Okay, the third advantage is most important. This one has click systems. We don't use to the glue. We just use the click systems to isolation it. Okay, so it will be improve your efficiency in the installation, and also it will be very easy for you to install. So let's have a conclusion about the MSPC flooring. We introduce the SPC flooring and also the WTC flooring, and also before the plastic flooring, we have the laminate flooring. So why we develop the MSPC flooring? Because our clients has the problems that it's not enough especially in the heavy commercial sites. Okay, it's okay when you use it in the home, but it's not enough in the heavy commercial. It will let us to imagine the laminate. The laminated flooring is really anti-scratch, but it's also not waterproof. So it has advantages. It also has disadvantages. Okay, so you may ask questions that is this product is stable, because you connect these two different materials into one product. So you may have problems, you may have doubts that this product is really stable, and we could say that it's stable because we have exported it to the foreign countries. And I can explain that why is it stable. Okay, we all know that the PVC material will be expanded when we in the heat temperatures. So this is why some PVC materials, PVC floorings. And also we will see that the deck paper will absorb the water and if in the high temperature and also with a high relative humidity, the paper will have the pulling strength down. And also the PVC flooring core, or we call ridge core, will have the expansion, so the pulling is pulling up. So these two products have the different power, and these two materials has two different powers, so it will have a balance. And if it's not enough, we also add a balance layer in the flooring. We also add a balance layer back on it. If we install it in the ground, it will be not expanded even if it's the high temperature. And sometimes you may see it's pulling down, but if we install it in the ground, it will be more flat because it has itself gravity. And also we work on there, we also have the gravity on there, so it will be more flat. So this is the explanation we introduced to you. So let's we introduce the MSPC flooring for all of you guys, and we compared these two products, and also to introduce the structures, and also to introduce our stone colors and the high gloss colors for each. At last, follow up us, and we will have more live videos for you. Okay, thank you.